My name is Chuck Anania, President of New Jersey Roofing. We will come out to inspect your property personally and then give you an honest assessment, look you right in the eye, and recommend what is needed for your property to fit within your budget. And this is how we've become a one-stop shop for all of your exterior improvement needs.
New Jersey Roofing Company, an elite contractor specializing in commercial, religious, and multifamily roofing, siding, chimneys, brick pointing, and more. With over 30 years of experience, we've perfected the art of property maintenance and restoration. Trust our certified team to protect your investment while staying within your budget. No excuses, just results.
One Call Restore. Is your property's roof old, worn out, or giving you problems? Well, there's an 82% chance you don't need to replace it. Our proven 10 to 20-year roof coating systems add value to your building at less than half the cost of a roof replacement. Don't replace your commercial roof, repair and renew it. With One Call Restore, the buck stops here.
Roof for Roof. For profit, for progress, roofing company with an extreme emphasis on giving back. A portion of profits from every project, including yours, are used to support carefully chosen local and international charities that support at-risk children, families, and animals. Since 1990, our family of companies has helped 1,200 families in need with free emergency home repairs and other assistance in the U.S. and abroad. Let you purchase, make a difference.
Pro Commercial Cleaning. We help you maintain structural appearance from roofs, steeples, skylights, and gutters to chimneys, siding, and sidewalks. Pro Commercial, your complete solution for sparkling exteriors.
Window Depot USA of North Jersey. We understand that siding, windows, and doors are more than just functional components of your property. Our windows are the ultimate investment for energy efficiency and curb appeal. Window Depot, house of the most energy efficient window in America.
New Jersey Roofing Company. Since 1990, we've greatly expanded our services and brands to meet all of your exterior property needs.